In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow to N8N using the Webflow action node. We'll walk through the process of getting everything set up from start to finish. So by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to handle it in your own workflows. First, let's begin by heading to your N8N workspace. Here, you'll want to locate your workflow canvas, which is the central hub where all your nodes will be connected. Once you're there, you'll need to search for the Webflow node. You can find it within the node options that are readily available in N8N. Simply type Webflow into the search bar, and it should pop up without any hassle. Once you've located it, go ahead and drag that Webflow node onto your workflow canvas. This will be your starting point for connecting Webflow to N8N. Now, let's talk about what this Webflow action node can do for you. It supports several operations that are crucial for managing your Webflow data. These operations include creating, deleting, getting all, and updating items. Think CMS items, for example. Each of these elements allows you to maintain a high level of control over the content in your Webflow projects. The true magic of using this node comes in its ability to automate tasks. Let's say you're working on a Webflow site where content is constantly being updated or new entries need to be made regularly. By utilizing this node, you can set up a seamless process to update CMS items automatically, synchronizing your content without the need for constant manual intervention. Imagine the time saved when you don't have to manually go in and change things every single time there's a small update. Instead, you can rely on automation to manage these tasks swiftly and efficiently. As you set this up, consider your specific needs. For example, if your primary concern is keeping content up to date, you'll focus more on the update operation. If you're often deleting outdated items, then the delete operation becomes critical. The ability to customize what operations the Webflow action node performs makes it an incredibly versatile tool. To bring it all together, give some thought to how these functionalities can benefit your workflow on a broader scale. With automated content synchronization, you're not just maintaining efficiency, you're also ensuring consistency and minimizing errors. Once you begin to set up the Webflow node and test out these various operations, things will start clicking together, and you'll appreciate how much smoother N8N can make your Webflow management tasks. Now that we've covered the basics, you're ready to start connecting Webflow to N8N, applying these operations to suit your particular use cases. With practice, you'll find that automating these tasks becomes a powerful way to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow processes. Happy automating!